was that? You just like. Oh, hey guys. So we saw an ad about this kinetic slime stuff, sand stuff.
It's sand, not slime.
You used to call it that too.
So what?
So we're gonna test this out because it was really cheap. It was like $2, and I don't know if this is satisfying.
But we're gonna try it out right now.
So we got 2 colors and then we mixed them. So the first thing we're gonna do is make a ball and then feel the surface.
But we're gonna split it in half
so we can both make a ball at the same time.
You get that part?
And in the next video, we're gonna make real food versus fake food, gummy food. So make sure to watch that. Oh man, it's so
hard.
It's getting hard. How does it do this?
I know, it's like a shield for some reason.
Let's get some more. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notifications.
She means notifications. So I'm done with mine.
Okay.
So right now we're gonna smash it against our head.
Does it hurt?
Oh God, that does.
Is it like a brick?
Yeah. You try it.
Ow. 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 Ow.
It's totally like a rock. Okay, so we're just gonna hold it and wait till.
Whoa. Okay. Oh my God.
It was like, oh. Okay, so this time there's a cup and we're gonna put some of the sand
I'm going
into.
first. It's my video. I'm going first.
Fine. So, into the cup.
Oh, so actually, in the next video, we're doing sour candy. We're getting toxic waste. We're getting warheads and crybabies and other really sour stuff. So make sure to watch that too.
And we're gonna eat them all.
Oh yeah, we're gonna eat them all. I forgot about that part.
That's the thing. Oh, and also we're gonna get Sour Patch Kids.
The Sour Patch Kids aren't sour.
I know, but then why were they called Sour Patch Kids?
I don't know.
Whoever made them is dumb.
We could make a giant Sour Patch Kid and put a whole. Oh, we're also getting malic acid, and we might actually have a spoon full of malic acid.
Okay, back to the working right here.
So let's go. I want to see how this works out. So I think I want to keep it in for a little bit.
No, just
And shake it.
it won't do anything.
Muchacha. It's like when a Makarachi band.
You mean Mercedes band?
No, I mean
Muchacha band?
no, the Mexican band.
The shaking thing. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
And then just slam it.
Ooh.
Ooh, that worked out pretty well. So she's gonna just
Wait, move it out.
not squeeze it, but just
Move
hold
it. Oh my God, it actually looks like a castle.
Okay, so she's just gonna hold it right here. Is that satisfying?
Yes. It's so satisfying. Makrati band. That's a lie.
I can tell. I'm not the one who can't see.
Yeah, actually you are. You're blind.
You blonde.
You're blonde.
I'm blonde.
said
I'm
you're-
blonde. I'm actually blonde.
Woohoo! Just pops. It's not even satisfying. It just
Woohoo.
pops. Look. Oh wait, what if you play for it a long time?
So I'm just shaking this up. Okay, I do not think this is gonna work out so well. So I'm just gonna take a deep breath and brace for the
Nope,
worst.
no.
I'm still gonna squeeze it though.
I'm gonna land all in here.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
Okay,
Okay, so
on
that
to the next one.
in the next video, I mean, because
No, like there's one more.
there is. Great.
Of course there
Okay.
is.
Wait, what is it again?
You know what it is.
Oh yeah.
But we're moving on to the next one. Let's
Do
go.
it.
So, for right now, so we're gonna make a really smooth surface. So let's like rub it all over the plate. Oh man, okay. And then let's like.
That will just make shapes.
Yeah, I know. Now we grab this thing. We used it in the other one. It says Kinetic sand on it. I'm gonna pop it in here all over the place. So right here. Can you squeeze it? Thank you. I'm gonna squeeze this one. It's so hard because the plate. Oh, that's why we won't squeeze. Making Kinetic sand. And I'm gonna make another implant. And it's gonna look like so cool. We'll take a picture of it. And then we'll show it to you guys in a sec. Oh man, it's so hard to do.
Actually, I think I know what it looks like.
No, because the plate is not good right now. But I'm gonna go get the phone. Where is it anyways? Oh yeah.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah, you can just see it. So it says Kinetic sand, Kinetic sand, Kinetic sand. And there's like placements of the stuff. And now we're gonna see if it is truly satisfying.
So we're just gonna like lift it up.
Oh man, that's so cool.
I could fall asleep, except I'm not tired. So
Yeah,
that's
me
the
too.
thing.
It's wait, what time? Do you know what time it is?
No, but okay. Anyway, that's the end of our video. See you next time. Whee! With the sours.